Hey everyone, welcome to H Group of Crafty Bug and Crafty Bug's Homecoming Mom Beehive. Welcome to my channels. Hope you are subscribed, and please do so if you are not. I would appreciate it and consider being a channel member. So I have some Homecoming Mom supplies I've gotten in the last week and a half. So first I got a couple of things I got some Happy Meal from my bestie. One of my besties, so I wanted to share that. I got these two pretty ribbons. Isn't that so stinking cute? That's the brand. And then this red one. That's glittery if you can't tell. And I have this in royal blue and she knew that, so she sent me the red. Love it. So pretty. Can't wait to use those next year. Okay, so last week, so today's the 29th, I'm hoping to get it uploaded today. Last week, I had to go to Tyler, and we went to the mall, and then we went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's. At the mall, they had this Western store, and here's the little bag they gave me. But they have these cute little keychains in there, and I guess this is sealed up. But I got this cute boot keychain, and it was $6.99. I don't want to take it out. I think you guys can see it. And I was like, somebody wants something Western on there, Mom. That will be really cute. I love to get different kinds of keychains for moms. And they had all kinds of cute little keychains, but I was like, oh, I want a boot. I didn't have a boot. Okay, so now for the Hobby Lobby stuff. Now this Hobby Lobby is like twice the size of my Hobby Lobby in Marshall, which our Hobby Lobby is, I know it's smaller than most of them, but I'm just thankful to have one. This store was definitely like twice the size, so there were some things they have that we don't have. I did get a lot of stuff on sale, but I did buy, I know at least one thing that wasn't on sale, but it's something that I can't get at mine. And that was these wooden beads. Look at this big bag of wooden beads. You can't get these at home. Now, I say that, and the next time I go, they'll probably have them. I'm not sure if we have these or not. You know, I went through the party supplies, and we have I think we have one aisle of party supplies. They had multiple aisles. They had these cute little hot pink cowboy hats or cowgirl hats. They only had pink, though. So if I get a pink mom and somebody wants, they also had pink disco balls. Definitely could have used those this year. I got 2 packs of them. $2.99. Did I show? These were just $1.99 for all those. For 12 of them. They're plastic. You could bling them up or do whatever. And the way they look, I mean, to me, I think you could use them as drill team. I don't know. Y'all tell me. And then in the Christmas, in the little section, they had these disco balls of different colors. And they're a little bit bigger than these. So let me get it size-wise. Now the Christmas is on sale. I can't remember if it was 40 or 50 now. In the beads section, I got these pretty beads. They're both $3.99, and these were on sale. So those are like star shaped. I love these kind of beads. They really put something really special in the middle of a bow. You can even glue these onto cutouts. I've done that before, you know, put 2 or 3 of them and just really bling it up. And, you know, don't have as much gold stuff. I'm constantly trying to buy more gold. This one was 48 pieces. And this one is 18. Got some more of this. I love hanging trinkets with this. I didn't get any gold. I didn't even see the gold, and I wish I had, because when I came home and had to finish up those gold bumps, I was like, I need some, and I didn't have any. So $2.99, but they're on sale. And then I got some really pretty green ribbons. I don't remember seeing these at ours. We may have gotten some since. I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. And this one, and this was really pretty too. Got a little bit of gold in it. That's it for Hobby Lobby. Now, yesterday my husband went, well, he went to Michael's, and he tries to run by Michael's after homecoming every year for me. Sometimes they have stuff on the clearance, sometimes they don't. But he talked to one of the employees, and she told him it was a good thing he came by, because they're going to have it all packed up by this weekend. But they had some stuff 60% off. And he said, well, I came last year, I didn't find anything. And she goes, we probably already had it packed up. She said, we only put it on clearance, or some of the stuff on clearance, for 2 to 3 weeks, and then we pack it up till next year. So just telling y'all. This was $131.20. Don't remember how much I spent at Hobby Lobby, but I do remember that. So I got a couple of hats. I don't remember what the individual prices were. I've already put my receipt up, where I keep my receipts. But I did tell you the total. Another white one. Another white one. 2 big white bells. Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Try to edit that out. Okay. These, I believe, were $12 originally, and they're 60% off. So whatever that is. Also got 2 silver ones. A gold one. A disco ball. This one was bigger. It's a kind of a medium-sized one, so that's why I wanted that one. Sounds like someone's car alarm. Or somebody's backing up. Oh, it's FedEx. They're backing up. Okay, this one is 6.5 at 21 layers. Hey, no ma'am, I'm doing a video. Let's see. And then they had these 2 packs of 3 inches, which is what I use on my ring mums, my crock mums, Stanley cups. So they had purple. They had black. Silver. Which I think I have some silver ones, but that's okay. Red. Here is 2 more 6.5 inch. Another disco ball. This is my first time going through it too. I haven't gone through it. Like, he was on the phone with me, and I was telling him what I wanted. But I haven't actually gone through it. Seeing, like, I was telling him, yeah, give me one of those, or give me a couple of those. Some keychains with sports balls. I love finding this kind of stuff, especially like golf, because there's not a lot of golf stuff. And basketball. And again, a tennis ball. That's another one that's not easily found. I think these are 1-inch bells. What does it say? I think that's what size they are. 3 packs. And always use bells. Here's a, is that pink or purple? I think it's hot pink. Oh, good, another golf. So I've got 2 of them. And the baseball gloves, another one. So like on the more expensive garters and stuff, I like to add stuff like this if I've got it. I got trinkets too, so I'm just trying to sort those out. Another baseball glove. All right, I got some lights. So he got me 2 of LED, and I think, yeah, these are the wired ones, so they're bendable, and they're good for the, I only did 1, but the name cutout where you put lights in it. For me, I used lights like this that were bendable, but they had a smaller battery pack. That's the only thing. These have that big battery pack, but that's okay. I think they did. That was like one of the very first one I made, so it's hard to remember. Then they had basketball lights. And I want to say these were like $12 normally too. Baseball. Okay, now for trinkets. An arched homecoming. They only had it in red. I said, yeah, grab me one. Pretty sure I'm getting low on these. And these do look a little different. These would actually be better for the guys. The font on that is more masculine, more like jersey type. Oh, there's the top of my cowbell. So he got me 4, 5, 6 packs of those. Now for trinket packs. Freshman, choir, another freshman, sophomore in gold, soccer, a girls' soccer in silver and white, basketball. I told him I don't have this one. This is a different one for me. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then more choir. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So it says choir, show choir, sing from the soul, and then there's the heart choir, and then just music notes. So you can use those, you know, for something else, band or whatever. Sometimes I get people that just say music, like they just want music. So the music notes are great. All right, that is it. That was a lot of stuff. Now I have to sort through it and figure out where to put it all. Organize it. But yeah, I love it. Love the ribbons. They had a bunch of ribbons, you know, like they get like the 3, I think it's 3-yard rolls that at Michael's. I don't think any of that was on sale, and I was like, I don't want any of that. I buy the big rolls. I've gotten those little rolls before, and then I forget about them, and yeah, I don't even want to mess with them. But y'all, whatever works for you. So go check your Michael's out before, quickly before they put it all back up. I don't know if they all do that, or it was just that one. But I was telling him, I went to the Michael's in Tyler, and I didn't see any homecoming stuff over there. I don't know. I went down every aisle, and I didn't see anything. And that was last week. Now, their homecoming at the Hobby Lobby was 3 times what we have. I saw it. I didn't go up and look at it, though, because I didn't need anything, and I could tell it wasn't on sale. And Hobby Lobby doesn't put it on sale. Everybody's saying that Hobby Lobby's going to quit doing homecoming supplies. I don't know if they're going to put it on sale, if they're just going to leave it out and try to sell it all. I don't know. I'll probably be going to ours and checking it out and seeing if they put any on sale. Maybe buying some of the Elysian Fields and jackets, ribbons. the imprint ribbons. They just sell like a yard, you know, how they sell like a yard at a time. And I usually don't buy that stuff, but this year I did buy like 2 or 3 of each. And then I did put them on several of my mom's. Somebody backing up again. Okay, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm trying to upload more now that homecoming has died down. It was just so hectic there for several weeks. I was like extremely stressed and just couldn't people. I couldn't do lives. I couldn't do that. I just needed to I just put in audiobooks and just got in the zone and worked. I just couldn't deal with it. And then I didn't have time, of course, to upload any videos. So we'll be getting back into that. But right now I have a lot of little videos I'm trying to get those out and then work on the longer ones. And I know I filmed some stuff like early on in the season. Don't remember what I filmed. I'll just have to go through. Not nearly as much as what I usually do, but I still struggle to get everything out, like even like a year later. So may have to start over from scratch, but comment things you want to see, please. And don't forget to comment like an emoji or something just to help my channel. If you can watch an ad, I appreciate it. Don't have to. I understand if you don't want to. Some people hate them. I'm in the habit where I watch them for people. So since I ask people to watch them, I watch them for other people. Anyway, thank y'all. Sorry about the long Southern goodbye. I'll try to start getting back into lives and stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. And oh, Halloween's coming up in a couple of days, so we will be busy with that. I'll probably share some clips of our decor, but I hope y'all have, if you celebrate or go trick-or-treating, I hope y'all have a safe and happy Halloween. Bye everybody. God bless.